to my channel. Today I'll be doing a hair tutorial on how to do passion twist. I already parted and rubber band my client up, so let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I will be using Freetress deep wave hair, and I'll be using my crochet needle to go ahead and insert the hair. Okay, so for the size of the passion twist that I'm doing, I'm using 3 strands of the deep wave hair. So the way that I insert my crochet needle is from the top of the rubber band. And I do this method because it hides the rubber band. You don't want that rubber band sticking out so everybody can see it at the top of your hair. So this works way better for me. So as you can tell, I'm just pulling all the hair through, all the strands of hair through. You can't do them all at one time because you don't want to hurt your client's head. Once you get all the hair through, you want to go to the ends of the hair and stretch it out. This right here helps you seal the end of your twist at the end so it won't unravel. So you're seeing me right here. I'm just stretching it out. Just nice, pull your finger right through, not too much, not just a little bit. So I start my twist with a braid because it holds better. So I just go ahead and I braid like maybe 3 or 4 times, and then I start twisting to the left. And that holds better for me. All right, so I won't do too much talking. I'm gonna speed the next parts up. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit a like for your girl. And make sure you watch to the end of the video. Thank you. These Lady T hair growth drops are now available for sale. You can link me on Instagram, which will be down in the description box, to go ahead and pre-order yours today.